Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So in this video, we're just going to show you Windows 11, some of the updates, some of the features that are coming up in the most recent update, and how you can find out what they are and what they will do for you. And there's some really nice features in there. So let's take a look at them and see what you like. It has one feature I really like. It's the very last one I'll discuss. Tell me what you think in the comments down below later on. Here we go. Okay, so I wanted to go in here and show you a little bit about Windows updates, especially when you're dealing with Windows 11. So right now, Windows 11 version 22H2 is available. Okay, so you can click here, you can just download and install it. But what if you want to know what's in it? So this is something I haven't always seen, and I noticed it says, see what's in this update. So in this, you can have a look at it. So in here, you're going to be able to see what it gives you. So it basically took you to Microsoft web support page where you're going to be able to create folders for your apps in the start menu. It's basically lets you keep important stuff by grouping them together into folders and dragging them onto one app, onto another to create a folder. You can see your favorite files in File Explorer and in Office now. So you can add a file to your favorites in File Explorer and see it both in File Explorer, Home, and Office.com. So make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account first, of course. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to do that. So what else does it give us? We're going to scroll down here. So you can show off your family with personalized emojis. Okay? I think a lot of people like that. You can change the skin colors, tones, number of people, and a whole lot more. You can press the Windows logo key to open the emoji panel, and you can search for your family on maybe whatever else is there, I guess. And down below, you can make videos. It's going to give you, it's included in Windows 11 even before this update, and it's called Clip Champ. It lets you create a video from scratch using templates and customize it to what you like. With text, stock art, and stickers. And of course, there is some caveats to using that. They're very short. You can only have them for so many minutes, and otherwise you just can't use it. So other than that, here's some other features. You can turn on voice access to talk instead of type. Okay, tells you how to do it with going to your Start, Settings, Accessibility, Speech, and Voice Access. You can also use live captions for any content with audio. So you can have captions for every word from your meetings, podcast. You can personalize them with your own font, text color, size, all that kind of good stuff, which I think is pretty cool. And again, this is all under settings and accessibility captions. And just a couple more things here. Of course, you can swipe up for your taskbar shortcuts, customize your start menu layout, improve your PC performance by saving resources in efficiency mode, and it tells you how to get to that by opening your task manager with Control Shift Escape, which that's new to me. I didn't even know that. You can get updates and controls at your fingertips, so you can easily view and control your volume, screen brightness, all that kind of good stuff, and open games with a single touch. So you're going to be able to press what's called the Nexus button on your controller to open the controller bar and jump back into your latest games. And of course, you can put on, this is a big one. This should have been there in every operating system. The Do Not Disturb automatically. So you can set it on, turn it on when you're screen sharing or you're playing a game and stuff like that. And you don't want something else creeping up or an update happening or anything like that. So you go to the Start menu, do your settings, click System, and go to Notifications, and you can turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. These are great features. I just think it's about time they brought this stuff out. All right, everybody, so that's it. That's just a very short little video. I wanted to show you when you're dealing with Windows 11. There's a lot of nice features. I'm thinking about taking all my systems to Windows 11. Things have improved quite a lot, and that very last feature, the one that lets you mute and Do Not Disturb, they need to put that on phones if they don't already have it, because just as I was finishing up, some telemarketer called me and of course interrupted everything. So thankfully it still continued with the rest of everything I was doing, so not a big deal. But that's a feature that I would find very useful and will find useful on a computer especially. So if you're live streaming, which I don't do that much, but if you're doing something like that and you're streaming and you don't want to be interrupted with something popping up on your screen, that may just be a lifesaver for you. So anyway, tell me what you think. Tell me what your thoughts on Windows 11. Have you gone to it already? Are you thinking about going to it? And how do you like it if you have? Give me your feedback. I'd be interested to know. So far, my experience with Windows 11 has been pretty good. And so far, I like it enough that I think I'm going to start switching systems over to it and just go from there. So again, there's caveats. You have to do secure boot. You have to have UEFI set up on it, things like that. And you have to change the module. For AMD, it's FTPM. You have to enable it. If you've done all that, you can migrate to Windows 11 without any issues. If you have questions, let me know. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Hit that bell for notifications as videos as they come up so you can see them. Give me a thumbs up. Helps out a lot. Hit that super thanks if you want to donate to the channel. Not required, but it's just a nice thing to do for me. Not that I get it. I think I've had 2 in the entirety of my channel. Yeah, just all that kind of good stuff. And hope you liked the video. Take care.